Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a wheel bearing on your Dodge Journey. First, prioritize safety by properly lifting and supporting your vehicle on jack stands. Gather all necessary tools, including various sockets, a reliable torque wrench, and a sturdy hammer. Having your new wheel bearing and hub assembly on hand is crucial. Remember to always wear safety glasses and gloves throughout the entire process for your protection. Now, let's begin the disassembly. Start by removing the wheel. Next, you'll need to loosen the large axle nut, often a 32mm size, which can be quite tight. Then, carefully detach the brake caliper and its mounting bracket. Once these are off, remove the brake rotor. It's important to hang the caliper securely, perhaps with a bungee cord, to avoid stressing or damaging the brake line. With the brake components out of the way, it's time to remove the old hub bearing. First, disconnect any electrical connectors, such as the ABS sensor wire. Next, locate and remove the 4 bolts, typically 15mm, that secure the hub assembly to the steering knuckle. You might need a hammer to gently tap the old bearing free if it's seized. Once removed, thoroughly clean the mating surface to ensure a proper fit for the new part. Now for reassembly. Install your new hub assembly, securing its 4 mounting bolts and torquing them to 35 foot-pounds. Reattach the brake caliper bracket, tightening those bolts to 125 foot-pounds. Next, install the axle nut, torquing it to a crucial 181 foot-pounds. Finally, reinstall the wheel, carefully lower your vehicle, and remember to pump the brake pedal several times before driving to restore proper brake pressure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.